So we're going to install the carbon monoxide alarm. Usually the lower the better. I think it's up to 5 feet, but we'll double check. All right, so I was looking for the height on these carbon monoxide. Apparently it doesn't come with the height anymore, but it's 5 feet from what I remember. I had to look it up online. And you don't want it probably next to a shower, so this is a bathroom. Steam come out, it'll make it go off. So there's 2 bedrooms in here. You should be able to put it somewhere where both bedrooms can hear. And you probably want it like 5 feet away from vents and ceiling fans. So we'll probably end up putting it over here, underneath the fire alarm detector. It's about 5 feet. So there's 5 feet there. Take this off. You can just throw that away. You got screws. Usually the drywalls are old enough to where you don't need the anchors for this. If you got fresh drywall, you might need the anchors for the screws to hold this up, but normally you don't need the anchors. You can do it by hand. I do it by hand just to show you. Alright, so I guess this arrow goes down. I don't know why I had that arrow down. But anyway, you're going to put it on like this. And then this is going to slide over it. But you can't slide this over the bracket until you put the batteries in. Because the batteries hold this down. That's so you don't accidentally just put it on the wall, forget about it, and not have batteries. So you got to put the batteries in, then it'll slide over. Let's put this on real quick. So what I do is I start a little hole with the screwdriver. Try to get it even. Just start a little hole like that with the screwdriver. That way these screws will go into the drywall easier, because it's kind of hard to get past that paint and paper. But once it gets into the drywall, it works good. Use a screw gun if you got one. But there, put it in halfway roughly. Bring this down and tighten it up. Doesn't have to be that tight. And then I lost the thing. Batteries are there. Comes with batteries, this particular one. Tells you which way to put the battery. One's that way, one's this way. Okay, now that you got the batteries in, this slides right over. And then you just push the button, hold it, release it, and that's that.